Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Speechify Chrome extension. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you haven't gone ahead and download and install the Speechify extension, just go ahead and do a Google search and then click on Speechify text-to-speech voice reader from the Chrome Web Store. Go ahead and click on Add to Chrome, click Add Extension. That's going to go ahead and add that extension to your Google Chrome browser. So I'm just going to pause this video, get back to you once this is installed. Alright, so once you've downloaded and installed it, a pop-up's going to appear like this. Now from here, it will say, what do you want to listen to? The choice won't limit your experience, so just choose which one. So for me, I'm just going to do articles and stories and click continue. You can listen to anything, so you can turn books, PDF scans, emails and more into audio. Click continue. What would you like to achieve with Speechify? So probably be more productive. Click continue. What device will you listen to? So on my desktop, laptop. Listen to anywhere. Click next. When do you want to listen? Choose all that apply. So while working or studying, you can choose all of them if you like. I'm pretty certain you can. All right, I'm going to click continue. Now you can choose your starting voice. So now you've got a option of about 6 people here. So I can use Gwyneth, Snoop, Mr. Beast, Sophia, Rob, Cliff. So you can play.
Personally, I hate reading,
so for this one, I'm going to do Snoopy. So I'm going to click continue with Snoop Dogg. Then it will say, great choice, 3.2 million people listening with Snoop Dogg's voice this week. Cool. Continue. Now from here, you can put your, so you can set your listening speed here to 4.5 to 0.4. Just going to keep it a 1, then click continue. Nice pick. All right, click continue. Now you need to create your account to start listening. So you can put an email password, but I'm lazy, so I'm going to click continue with Google and use my Google account. All right, that should log me in. All right, from here we need to choose your plan. So we've got 1 month plan, a 3-day trial, or 12-month plan. Click on start free trial. Then from here you need to put in your card details. All right, so after you've signed up in that, so you're going to have a little pop-up on the side here. So if I want to read this, I'm going to highlight it and then click Alt and A.
Read aloud to me, listen and learn without limits. Breeze through any text.
So yeah, it's as simple as that. How to download and use Speechify on your Chrome extension.